everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Welcome to our Value Education class. Today we are going to study lesson 3, Independent India. The moral of our lesson is our freedom was won after a long struggle. Treasure this freedom. Children, you all know that our India was under the British rule for many years. Our country India got freedom and its independence on 15th August 1947. What do you mean by independence? Independence means that we are not dependent on others for our own needs. We are all self-dependent. We got freedom after very long struggle from the British rule. They were treating us like they are slaves, and they had brought their own British policies in our country, and we were following them when we were under their rule. But many revolutionary fighters and leaders fought for the freedom of our country. Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most memorable leaders who fought for the freedom and independence of our country. India had got freedom after a very long struggle. So, we must be very proud of our motherland, that is India. Children, let us solve the question first. You go to shopping with your family, you have to buy a dress for yourself. There are many shops selling foreign clothes. There is also a shop that sells only clothes made in India. What do you do? Buy from the foreign shops because foreign clothes are more fashionable. Be Indian and buy Indian. Which option is correct, children? Yes, be Indian and buy Indian is correct option, so take it. Now children, I have told you that we must be proud of our country. You know our national flag. See children, this is our national flag. The orange color represents courage and strength. The white color represents peace and truth. The green color represents the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of our country. Now, children, I am going to share one movement or one step of a struggle which was a very important part in our history. The incident in our history which made it possible for the independence of our India. It was Swadeshi movement. Mahatma Gandhi, who was the leader of this Swadeshi movement, he only had put forth this idea of Satyagraha and Swadeshi movement to boycott the British products. Swadeshi movement was started against partition of Bengal. In this movement, Swadeshi leaders appealed to Indians for boycotting of government services, courts, schools and colleges and foreign goods, and promotion of our Swadeshi goods. Swadeshi movement was a great success. In Bengal, even the landlords joined the movement. The women and students took to picketing. Students refused using books made of foreign paper. Many leaders were imprisoned, like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, or Bindo Ghosh. Many Indians lost their job. During the moment, singing Vande Mataram was meant to sedition. This was the first instance in which use of indigenous goods were taken an account. Children, you may be aware of the campaign Make in India. Make in India campaign was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was the best plan which was meant for the improving of the market of our India and country, and using the goods, using the products which were made from our country, India. This is the symbol of our Make in India. This symbol initiative is a giant lion. This indicates peaceful progress and way to vibrant future of the country. A giant walking lion represents courage, strength, tenacity and wisdom. So, children, have you seen the symbol of Make in India? Okay. Now, let us read the story, children. Gandhiji took India on the path to the freedom with the simple tools of Satyagraha and Swadeshi. This story tells us about his concept of Swadeshi. Now let us read the story first. Mother's Sari. Sarojini was looking at the saris in her mother's cupboard. She wanted one to give to an old age home. Ma, do you need this sari? May I give it to the old age home? Asked Sarojini. Now, this girl is Sarojini and she is looking at the saris in her mother's cupboard and she wanted these saris to give to the old age home. So, she is asking her mother that may I give this to the old age home. Now let's read further, children. Mother smiled and said, "No, don't give this sari away. I'll give you another one which looks new and which can be used by others. This sari is very special to me. I don't want to give it away." Mother took the sari from Sarojini and said, "This sari was made by my great-grandfather for my grandmother. He was a freedom fighter and was put in jail by the British. While in jail, he spun the khadi thread for this sari himself. Our family has also treasured it." Now, here the mother smiles at the child Sarojini and replies that she does not want to give her own sari. She will rather give another sari which one is new and which can be used by others. And her mother says to Sarojini that this sari is very special because his mother takes the sari from Sarojini and says that this sari was made by her great-grandfather for her grandmother. Who was her great-grandfather? He was a freedom fighter who was put in jail by the British. And while in the jail, he spun the khadi thread for this sari and made this sari. Okay, children? This sari was treasured by all the family members. Now, come to the next page, children. But Ma, why did he have to spin khadi himself? Asked Sarojini. It was one way of proving that India was independent, said mother. At that time, the British used to take the cotton that was grown in India and sent it to Britain. There the cotton was woven into the cloth and brought back to India. Here it was sold at a high price. This was one of the reasons why people in India lost their jobs and became dependent on the British. Gandhiji asked people to stop using foreign clothes and make their own cloth here. He said this would show to the Britishers that we are independent and do not depend on others for our needs. I understand now, said Sarojini, and I feel proud of my country. Now here, children, Sarojini is asking, why did her mother's great-grandfather spin khadi? Sarojini's mother replies that it was done because he wanted to prove that India was independent. Her mother also added to this that at that time British used to take cotton which was grown in India and send it to Britain. Why did they send this cotton Britain? Because cotton is a raw material used to make clothes, and this cotton was woven into cloth in Britain and brought back to the India. And here when it was brought back to India, it was sold at a very high price. And this was the reason that people in India also become jobless and become more and more dependent on Britishers at that time. Because they needed jobs also and even clothes to wear. So Gandhiji asked people at that time to stop using foreign clothes and make their own clothes here in India. He also said that this would show to the Britishers that we are independent and do not depend on others for our needs. Now, then Sarojini understands that what is the importance of being independent, and she is also feeling proud of her own country, India. Now children, here we have learned that we must feel pride of our own country. And this pride is above everything else. And on no account should one let down one's own country. And we should all the times do what is best for the country and its people. And even I advise you all children that be independent and use Indian products. We show our patriotic feeling towards our country. Children, now I have come to the end of our session. Thank you.